Hey, what's up everybody? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys what products I'm using to fertilize and feed my citrus, palm, ixora, avocados, anything like that. It's in this video today. Hope you enjoy. So when it's time to go out and feed your citrus and palm varieties, you want to start that when the temperatures are approaching the 65 in the soil. So in Corpus Christi area, it's typically around February. We'll go ahead and start feeding our citrus and palm trees, and it's usually every 3 months, but it also depends on which products you choose to use. In my backyard, I have a calamandan tree, I have a Mexican lime, which is also known as a bartender's lime. I also have a Hass avocado, and all of those will be fed with the Vigoro citrus and avocado feed. I also have a Mexican fan palm. I've got two of those, two Mexican fan palms and two pygmy date palms. And then in the front yard, I have a couple of Maui red ixoras. So those are in that palm variety as well. So I'll be feeding those 3 different species with the Miracle Grow palm feed. And I've used it before and it seems to do pretty well with the palms, so I'm going to continue using that product. Both of the products, the Vigoro citrus and avocado feed and the Miracle Grow palm feed, are super easy to apply. As you can see in the video here, they're just going straight, mixed onto the ground, around the tree, around the base, and then mixed in to the dirt slightly, and then you water it in. Super easy, not that hard, not that complicated. Follow the directions on the bag and you won't have any issues. If you're looking for details to the product, they're down in the description. You can check it out, find them at Home Depot. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to hit that like button and the subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Please help me out. Right now I'm sitting at 71. If y'all can give me a big help, share my videos, start subscribing, I appreciate it a lot.